What if light could think? What if the same beams that illuminate our world could one day power computers faster than anything silicon could dream of? Welcome to the breathtaking world of optics and photonics, where light itself becomes the tool, the signal, and even the processor of the future. Welcome to the Learning Studio, and in today's episode from our physics playlist, we'll explore how the science of light, once used only for mirrors and lenses, now stands at the frontier of AI, quantum technologies, imaging, and communication. You can explore the complete physics playlist by clicking the link below in the description. This topic is part of our section Classical to Modern Transition, Control, Fields and Motion, where we bridge the timeless beauty of classical physics with the revolutionary innovations shaping the 21st century. The story of light, from rays to photons. Light has always fascinated humanity. From ancient Greek philosophers who thought light flowed from our eyes, to Isaac Newton, who proved it traveled in straight lines as rays, and James Clerk Maxwell, who revealed it as an electromagnetic wave, light has evolved from mystery to mastery. But in the early 20th century, Albert Einstein shattered one more boundary. He showed that light isn't just a wave, it's made of tiny packets of energy called photons. This dual nature, both wave and particle, gave birth to modern optics and photonics, the science of generating, controlling, and using light. Optics, understanding and shaping light. Optics studies how light behaves, how it reflects, refracts, bends, and interferes. It's what allows us to design telescopes, microscopes, cameras, and fiber optics. When you take a photo, watch a movie, or undergo laser eye surgery, you're using the power of optics. It's the field that turned lenses into windows for exploration, from galaxies far away to the atoms within us. But optics is no longer just about vision, it's now about precision and information. Photonics, engineering with light. While optics helps us understand light, photonics helps us use it. It's the engineering side of light, creating technologies that control photons the way electronics control electrons. Today, photonics drives fiber optic communication, the backbone of the internet, carrying billions of gigabytes across the planet at light speed. It enables laser-based manufacturing, quantum encryption, LiDAR in self-driving cars, and 3D imaging in medicine and robotics. But perhaps most excitingly, photonics is merging with AI to create a new era, optical computing. The future, AI meets light. Our digital world is built on electrons, but electrons have limits. They generate heat and consume power. Light, on the other hand, is fast, cool, and efficient. That's why scientists are building optical neural networks, systems where photons replace electrons as the carriers of information. Instead of electrical signals, these systems use beams of light to process data at the speed of nature itself. Imagine AI models trained by light, using lenses, mirrors, and nanostructures as neurons, capable of performing millions of calculations in the blink of an eye. This is the dawn of photonic computing, where physics and intelligence converge. And beyond computing, photonics is transforming how machines see the world. LiDAR, light detection and ranging, uses lasers to map environments in 3D, enabling drones, autonomous cars, and robots to navigate with incredible precision. Combined with AI, LiDAR systems learn to recognize objects, predict motion, and build real-time spatial awareness. In short, light isn't just illuminating our world anymore, it's helping us understand it. The beauty and power of light. From the gentle glow of a candle to the focused power of a laser cutting through steel, light reveals, heals, connects, and computes. Optics and photonics are more than branches of physics, they're the future language of technology. They remind us that light isn't just something we see, it's something we can shape, control, and think with. It's nature's purest form of energy, and humanity's brightest hope for the future of science and computation. This is the Learning Studio, and this was our episode on optics and photonics. If this journey into the world of light inspired you, make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the physics playlist linked below. In our next episode, we'll step into one of the most ambitious quests in physics, quantum field theory and unification, where every particle, every force, and every vibration of the cosmos comes together as one elegant field. Because in the end, light doesn't just show us the universe, it is the universe's way of showing itself.